Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. As last previous class what you learned? Greater than and less than. As how to compare the number and you should draw the greater than and smaller than. As now today smallest number. You should find the smallest number and you should circle. Understood? And largest number also. Chapter number 1, Numbers Revision. Children, this is not your class workbook part or textbook part. Yes or no? This is revision part. Understood? You should find the smallest number and largest number. How you will find the numbers? I will say you. Listen carefully. Okay? See, I will write some numbers here. In these numbers, which one is smallest number, which one is greatest number, I will say you how to find. Okay. See children, here I gave 4 numbers. See 4 numbers. This is 3-digit number, this is also 3-digit number, this is also 3-digit, this is also 3-digit. Okay. After that you should check one's place. Here 8, here 9, here 9, here 9. One's place we checked. Again we should check tens place. Here 9, here 9, here 9, here 6. After that what you have to do? You should check hundreds place. Yes, here 4, here 9, here 4, here 9. As in these numbers, which one is smallest number? See, 9, 9. This 2 is big number. As here 4, here 4. In these two numbers, we should check which one is smallest number. Because here also 4, here also 4. Okay. Hundreds place, here also 4, here also 4. Tens place, here also 9, here also 9. Ones place, here 8, here 9. That's why 498 is smallest number. We should circle this. Understood children? Which one is smallest? 498 is smallest number. Okay, next largest number. Which one is largest number? See, here 9, here 9, here 3, here 6. Which 9 is greater than to 3. Yes, that's why 999 is largest number. Understood children? Okay, next I will give see, again you should check one's place. Here 3, here 0. Here 9, here 6. Okay. See, one's place which number is smallest number? 0 is smallest number. Yes. That's why again 3 is also smallest number. Comparing this tens digit. Yes. That's why 6,930 is smallest number. 6,930 is smallest number. Always you should compare one's digit onwards. One's place onwards you should see the numbers. You should check the numbers. Which one is great, which one is smallest. Okay. Next. One's place this 2 over because see here 3, here 0. Again you should check this tens place. Here 9, here 3. Okay. Next here 9, here 9. Hundreds place. Again thousands place 6, 6. Okay. Next, which one is greatest number? See, in these two numbers you should compare. Okay. See, because 6000 is smallest to 7000. Yes, that's why. See, 7046, 7099. Which one is greatest here? See, ones place you should check. Here 9, here 6. 9 is greatest. That's why 7099 is largest number. Understood, children? I am explaining like this. You should. Children, 8th bit. Circle the smallest number in the given sets of numbers. See, in these numbers you should circle smallest number. See, first of all you should check ones place. Yes, what you have to do? Ones place. Here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. All are equal. Yes, again tens place. 0, 7, 9, 9, 4. In see, 7, 9, 9, 4 is greater to 0. Yes, that's why this number is smallest number. Understood? First of all, you should check ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place. Okay, here 3-digit numbers, that's why. Okay, if 4-digit number also, you should check in ones place onwards only. 5-digit also, you should check in ones place only. Understood? That's why 500 is smallest number. That's why you should circle 500. Next. See, children, in these numbers, which one is smallest number? See, 4-digit numbers they here given. Ones place you should check. Here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. All numbers ones place 0 only. Again tens place. Here 0, here 9, here 9, here 4. Then 3900 is smallest number. Understood? Next. See, children, now again you should compare ones place. Here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. Both all are zeros. Again you should check tens place. Here 0, here 0, here 3, here 9. Okay. But also you should check this also. Next hundreds place you should check. See, 100 place. Here 9, here 4, here 9, here 9. All are equal only. Yes, hundreds place. Here only 4 is there. But also you should check thousands place. Because here 9 is there, here 9 is there, here 8 is there, here 6 is there. Yes, because you should check the number. Not only one place you should check. You should check all the place values. Because see the numbers. Comparing the numbers you should check. Yes, compare the numbers means what? You should check the numbers. See which one is smallest number. 6 is the smallest. Here 8 is the greatest number. 9 is the greatest number. 9 also greatest number. Yes, here smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? 6. In thousands place 6 is the smallest number. That's why this number is smallest number. Hundreds place greatest number and tens place also greatest. But thousands place is smallest number. That's why you should circle this. Understood, children? Next. See, check here. In these numbers, which one is smallest number? See, ones place here 9, ones place here 0, here 0, here 0. This is smallest number? No, you should check tens place also. Here 9, here 0, here 0, here 9. Again you should check hundreds place, because should see the numbers, thousands place which number they given. Yes, hundreds place here 9, here 0, here 9. Yes, thousands place here 4, here 4, here 8, here 9. Okay. In these numbers you should compare here, because here zeros they given, here also 0 is there. But thousands place, this is biggest numbers, this is smallest number. Then you should compare these two numbers. In these two numbers, which one is smallest number? This number is smallest, because tens place 0 is there, here 9 is there. Understood? What teacher is saying like this, you thinking? See, listen carefully and check the number. See here, 9 is greatest, 8 is greatest, 4 is smallest. Yes, thousands place 4 is here, here also 4, here also 4. Then you should leave these two numbers, because already you know this is greatest number. Then in these two numbers you should compare which one is smallest. That's why you should check ones place onwards. Here 9 is there, here 0 is there. 0 is greatest, 9 is greatest. 9 is greatest. That's why 0 is smallest number. You should circle this number. Understood? See children, next bit. Circle the largest number in the given set of the numbers. You should circle the largest numbers. See, you should check ones place. Here 9, here 3, here 0. These two numbers smallest. These two numbers is largest. In these numbers you should check again. Tens place 9. Tens place 9. Same. Here hundreds place. Here 4, here 9. S. Here 6, here 7. Which number is greatest? 9 is greatest. 7, 6, 4 is smallest number. That's why 999 is greatest number. See, in these numbers, which one is greatest number? Here 4 digit, here 5 digit, here 4 digit, here 4 digit. 4 digits is greater, 5 digit is greater, 5 is greater. That's why this one is greatest number. See, this is 4 digit, this is 4 digit, this is also 4 digit, this is also 4 digits. Okay, hundreds place, first ones place. See, here 9, here 4, here 6. 9 is greatest. That's why you should compare these two numbers. Again, see, tens place. Here 9, here 4, here 6. Again, you should compare this. Here 4, here 0. Again, see ones. Thousands place, here 3, here 9. Here hundreds place, here 9, here hundreds place 6. Thousands place, here 4, here 8. In this number, which one is greatest? 8 is greatest, 4 is greatest, 9, 3. 9 is greatest. That's why 9099 is largest number. Understood? See, ones place. Here 3, here 6, here 4. Which one is greatest? 6 is greatest. Yes. Again, tens place. Here 9, here 5, here 6. Which one is greatest? 9 is greatest. Yes. Again you should check hundreds place. Year 4, year 6. Year 4, year 9. 9 is greatest number. That's why this one is greatest. No, you should check thousands place also. See, year 8, year 7, year 6, year 4. Year which, see, thousands place 4 is greatest, 6 is greatest, 7 is greatest, 8 is greatest, 8 is greatest. That's why 8493 is greatest number. Understood? Largest number. Largest or greatest same only. Okay. Right. Children, ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Children, ascending order. The arrangement of numbers starting from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. See, the arrangement of numbers starting from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Example. See, I will give some numbers here. You should arrange in the smallest to greatest, largest number. Okay. See, in these numbers you should arrange the small to greatest. First of all, you should check ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes, ones place 4, ones place 4, 9, 4. Okay. See, 4, 4, 4. In these numbers, tens place 7, year 6, year 9, year 4, year. See, next. Year 6 is year 3, year 3, year 4, hundreds place. Yes. See, hundreds place 4, 3, 3, 6. Which one is smallest? 3 is smallest. That's why you should compare these two numbers. In these two numbers, which one is smallest? Hundreds place, see, ones place 4, here 9. Again, 9 is greater. Here 4 is smaller. Then also you should check tens place. Here 6, here 4. Which one is smallest? 4 is smallest. That's why 349 is smallest. Again, next number 364. See, 60 is smallest, 6 is smallest, greatest, great. Yes, 44 is smallest. Next, in these two numbers, which one is greatest? See, 6 is greatest, 4 is smallest. That's why this number you should write here. 3 after 4 will come na 494. After that 674. Understood? Next, B1. You should compare the number properly, ma. Then only you can write the numbers. Understood? See, here in these numbers, which one is smallest number? See, year 4, year 4, year 4, sorry, year 9. Year 4, year 4, year 9, year 9. Which one is smallest? 4 is smallest. Yes, that's why. Again, you should check. Here, tens place, year 3, year 0. Yes, This one is smallest. Hundreds place check once. Here 7, here 9, here 9, here 4. Thousands place. Here 4, here 4, here 4, here 7. That's why which number is smallest? 4734 is smallest number. 4734. Next number 4909, because 4999 is greatest number. Again 7409. Understood? Write fast. Children, now descending order. See, the arrangement of the numbers starting from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Understood? Example. See what is meant by descending order? The arrangement of the numbers starting from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Example, I will give some sums for you. Okay. In these numbers, you should check which one is greatest number. Again, you should write the numbers, greatest, largest to smallest. Okay. See, here 3 digit, here 3 digit, here 4 digit, here 3 digit. 3 digit is greater, 4 digit. Yeah, 4 digit. That's why 4 digit you should write first. 1040. After that, see, you should compare these three numbers. Ones place here 9, here 6, here 4. 9 is greater. That's why you should write that. No, again you should compare tens place. Here 4, here 4, here 6. 4, 4 equal. Here 6 is greater. That's why you should write this. No, again you should compare hundreds place. 3, 9, 7. 9 is greater or 7 is greater or 3 is greater? 9 is greater. That's why this 946 you should write next number. Next, yes 7. Yes 9. After 7, 764 you should write. After that 349. See, greatest number, largest number to smallest number. Okay. Next. See, here 4 digit, here 4 digit, here 5 digit, here 4 digit. 5 digit is greatest because 10,000. Should write that. What is that number? 10,404. Okay. Next you should compare these numbers. Here 1's place 6, here 4. 6 is greater. That's why you should write this. No, you should compare again. Tens place 4, 3. That's why you should write this. No, again you should compare hundreds place. Here 3, here 6. Yes, 600 is greater than to 300. 9, 9. Both are equal. Yes, that's why 9,634 is greatest number, 9634. Again you should compare these two numbers. Yes, see, 6 4 4 9 3 6. Thousands place here 9, here 4. 4 is greatest and 9 is greatest. 9. That's why 4346. Next number. After that 4694. Understood? Write it fast. Write in the classwork, ma.